Hi, it's me. Do you know flamingos are one of the most beautiful birds in the world? There are 7 species of flamingos, and they all have long, pink legs and necks, webbed feet, a beak that's perfectly suited for scooping up their favorite foods, and of course, that gorgeous pink color. But did you know that baby flamingos aren't born pink? Baby flamingos are actually gray when they hatch, but they soon start to develop their adult plumage and turn pink. And the more shrimp they eat, the deeper their pink color becomes. You see, flamingos get their pink color from the pigments called carotenoids that are found in the shrimp and other crustaceans they love to eat. So by eating lots of these carotenoids, flamingos can maintain their beautiful pink color. Flamingos are also known for their unique way of standing on one leg. They do this by tucking their other leg in tight to their body and balancing on their strong, flexible foot. This allows them to stand upright for long periods of time without getting tired. In fact, flamingos can stand on one leg while they're sleeping, and they often take turns standing on one leg with their paddling mates. Standing on one leg also helps flamingos conserve energy, which is important since they don't fly very far or very often. Speaking of flying, flamingos are surprisingly good flyers, despite their short, stubby wings. They can fly up to 60 miles per hour and travel hundreds of miles each year during their migrations. However, they usually prefer to walk rather than fly, and they're pretty speedy walkers. In fact, flamingos can walk almost twice as fast as humans can, reaching speeds of up to 18 miles per hour. That's because their legs are specially adapted for walking long distances. Their long strides help them cover the ground quickly, and their strong feet are able to support their heavy bodies as they roam the shoreline in search of food. Flamingos are also great swimmers. Their webbed feet help propel them through the water, and their special fringed lamellae allow them to filter out tiny crustaceans and algae to eat. These fringed lamellae are found in the flamingo's beaks, and they're made up of thin, flexible plates of tissue that are connected together. When flamingos are ready to eat, they open their beaks wide and scoop up a bunch of water. Then they use their tongues to force the water through their fringed lamellae, which filters out their favorite foods. The remaining water is then pushed out of their mouths, and the cycle begins again. It is a pretty amazing system, and it allows flamingos to eat up to 1/3 of their body weight in a single day. But what about those beautiful pink colors? Well, flamingos aren't the only animals that can get color from their diet. In fact, there are lots of animals that change color based on what they eat. For example, some parrots are born with gray feathers, but they start to turn green as they eat more chlorophyll from plants. And some lizards can change color to match their surroundings, which helps them camouflage themselves from predators. These animals are able to change color thanks to special pigments called chromatophores that are found in their skin or feathers. When these animals eat certain foods, the pigments change color, and this change can be passed down to their offspring. So, the next time you see a beautiful flamingo, remember that its stunning pink color isn't just the result of its genes, but also the food it eats. And if you ever get a chance to see a flock of flamingos standing on one leg, be sure to appreciate the amazing adaptations that allow them to do this. Thanks for watching.